Hello ladies, I'm finally feeling better to record this video. I am so sad I missed this beautiful moment to be with you all, but I know you guys had a blast and we'll do it again soon. So today I wanted to talk about reviving youth and restoring beauty. Some of you I already know, like Amy, Hannah, Skylar, Shira, Caitlin, I saw you there, hi, Grace as well, and others. I'm excited to meet you in person. Tia, Freya, Isis, I saw you there, Kate and Selma. This is for you all personally. So we will be talking about the importance of a self-love practice, the 4 components in beauty, and why lymph is so important in skin, health, and beyond. And some practices that you can do immediately using at your home. So let me introduce myself. My name is Violet. I've been a beauty professional by trade and passion for over 10 years. I was a makeup artist, then I worked with terminally ill kids. I have a master's in human science and a diploma in organic skincare formulation. So I'm an organic chemist, cosmetic chemist by trade, and I would love to share with you some tips and tricks to enhancing your beauty the natural way using different modalities. So I've helped thousands of men and women from all over the world beat skin challenges, improve their self-esteem, and radiate that natural beauty. So let's talk about why is it important to have a beautiful self-love, self-worth practice. Having self-worth can help us have anything and everything we have ever dreamed of. So here's the formula. Decide you're worth it. Be clear on what that looks like and what are you willing to do to get there. So deciding you're worth it, deciding you're worth having a morning skincare practice, a morning self-love ritual, taking the time to do that in our busy lives. What does it look like? What does it look like overcoming that skin challenge? What does it look like having the tight, muscular body that you've dreamed of, that healthy body, that radiant glow? See it in your mind, like any person that's about to go into a race. And then what are you willing to do to get there? So some of these tools are something that you can incorporate in your morning practice. So I challenge you to incorporate some of these practices in your morning routine so you feel a sense of accomplishment before you even leave the house. So let's get started with the 4 components in beauty. Different scientists have made it simple, but when you look at the face, it's considered in 4 elements of beauty: size, shape, color, and texture. So improving the shape does the most to enhance our beauty. The creator of life made us all unique individually. Sorry, I got a phone call. So the creator of life made us all beautiful individually, and most attractive faces, based on math and science, match the math the most. So let me show you. There's the E line, and it looks like this. And the E line, which again works with the shape, is from your nose to your chin. So like it's even the way that you stand. And you can work that out with lymphatic drainage and as well as moving the liquid in your face. And the Cupid's bow also shows that you have beauty, youth, and longevity. So working on the shape is one of the most important components of beauty. So the second is color. Having good blood flow of red, regardless of what color skin tone you have, shows that it's in excellent health, which can be incorporated with microcurrent technology, doing lymphatic drainage, moving your blood around. that shows that you're in excellent health. Now, gray and pale skin look less alive, and an even skin color looks more attractive and young than an uneven skin tone, whether you have pigmentation, sunspots, melasma, things like that. The third most important component is texture. A smoother texture reflects the light. A smooth texture surrounding the eyes appear younger when you have limited amount of fine lines, which are caused by inflammation, which can be worked on as well. The fourth element is the size, and it's what nature gave us. Shape always trumps size though, so of course having natural big eyes or big lips is more attractive. However, in the 1920s, most models had small, thin lips, but they were beautifully shaped. So we can always work on the shape with different practices and exercises. So when all of these combine, your face demonstrates symmetry. And the more symmetrical a face, the more we come across as beautiful. So now let's talk about why lymph is important for our skin health. By activating the big system and getting it to drain out the dirty contents of toxins, bacteria, other bodily fluids, it helps our organs function better, but also the largest organ of the body, our skin, function better as well. So the lymphatic system doesn't have an organ to move the fluids and flush lymph fluids on its own. So toxins, bodily waste can build up in the lymph nodes, and poor lymph node circulation can result in congestion like in the jawline. And as the lymph nodes increase and build up, since they act as filters, such as filters like in the air conditioning, they get full and clogged, and that's when you get a puffy face or a puffy body. And because the lymph system needs regular movement to work, it requires us to manually drain it. So we need to be active, live an active lifestyle, and have natural body movements and massage. So here are some great tools to do this at home. Let's start with the dry brushing. Dry brushing works surface level, but it's great exercise. So light pressure, 5 to 20 minutes a day towards your heart. Such a great practice to incorporate in your morning routine. So there's 5 main lymph nodes. The first begins at the knee. So you just want to brush it up. Pitial nodes. I'll attach a diagram right now. Then we're going to go to our inguinal nodes, which are right here. You could tap them. Brush them up again towards your heart, and make sure to do the back. So you can brush your booty or just tap it. Just move it around. Then we go to the thymus nodes, which are right beneath the breast. Again, the direction of your heart. Both sides. Then we go here to our axillary nodes and underneath the armpit. You can always tap it, brush it. I like to go like this. And then we go to our cervical nodes, which are right below the ear, behind the jawline. Usually when you get a sore throat, like they swell up. Excuse me. So there you have it. Those are really great ways. Don't push on it though, just like rub on it or tap it. You never want to like push it directly. That's a really great tool. My next tool is the Gua Sha. Gua Sha again works on the outside, but it moves the liquid buildup, not only in the lymph, which is in the jaw, but everywhere else in your face. So I recommend putting some of our Panacea potion so it can help with the glide. And there isn't necessarily lymph here in your cheekbone, but however, if there's a lot of liquid buildup, it can make your eyes look hollow, and that's when it creates like deep, dark circles. So I always recommend going up and moving this liquid right underneath the eye. It helps your skin look beautiful, plump, has that nice, again, color. We can create that blood flow, creating that youthful skin. Again, you can use this again around your jawline. This is how we move the lymph fluid there that's stuck and creates the beautiful shape of our face. I also like to go right here, right where the eyebrows start. Oh, it feels so good. You're moving liquid buildup in there as well. And then for those expressive forehead lines, we want to kind of move and flatten out any kind of texture imperfections with the Gua Sha. Really great for moving liquid from your face and your body. Just remember, lymph retention or liquid retention can be from various reasons, from irregulated glucose to an overconsumption of sodium, to drinking, to not sleeping enough, or feeling misaligned. So many different ways to work on it. But one of my favorite methods is with our high frequency wand. The microcurrent helps to restore and repair our skin, producing healthier skin cells in a very short period of time. So your skin is going to look brighter, more rejuvenated, less puffy. There's like an instant lifting with the high frequency wand. It oxygenates and helps with cellular turnover. And when those toxins build up, that causes the lymph nodes, the body filters, to get clogged up, then our cells are not capable to function and nourish our body and nourish our skin. So moving those toxins out of the body will result in less puffiness and inflammation overall. So the wand works from the outside in. One of the few tools to do so. I'm going to show you how it works. You always want to make sure you use a powder. It's conducting. It helps activate the microcurrent. You can use it on your whole entire body. So I just say get a little bit of the powder. Let's say we're going to do the lymph node behind the knee. 5 to 15 minutes. And then you can move up, and you could do here, you could do below your breast, you could do here. Just make sure you have the powder always before you start. And then again, here, 5 to 15 minutes. This doesn't just work on the outside, it also works on the inside. So it's super powerful, instantaneous results. You could see this machine at medical practitioners, esthetician practitioners. Super powerful to just have at your home, at your disposal, to do at any point in time, to move that liquid for a healthy skin, a healthy body. So as promised, I wanted to offer you all the opportunity to have this in the comfort of your home. And as promised, Amy, to make it a very special package for all of the fairies that attended this retreat, that are dedicated to working on themselves and being their best possible version. So it comes with the instructions, it comes with the wand attachment, the full body attachment, the under eyes, and the face. And it comes also with the panacea, so you can glide. It comes with a jade roller, the salve to mix the powders with. It comes with 3 powders. Then it comes for the lips. You can also use the high frequency wand amongst the lips to increase blood flow and plump them as well. So the wand works for texture, for the color of your skin. You'll see like that blood flow, like that red flush. It works as well for shaping, because it moves the lymph, it moves the liquid that is stuck in your body, and it's really, really powerful. So you also get the skin saver to work on your skin tone, again, that color. So if you have pigmentation or sunspots, it works for that as well. It's really amazing tools to have in your pocket, in your home. So I hope you enjoyed. It was lovely spending time with you here virtually. I can't wait to do it with you in person soon. I send you so much love. I send you so much healing. And until we see each other again, please, 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 I challenge you to do one of these practices, incorporate them in your morning routine. They're going to change your life. They're going to be so beneficial for your internal health and the way you externally show up for your skin, for the glow, and for everything else. So